Before we begin, a very important safety disclaimer: the Kress PK850 WS is designed to be serviced easily. However, you must never operate this tool with any cover removed while connected to mains power. All repair, maintenance, or disassembly work shown in this video should only be performed by a qualified, trained professional, and always with the tool unplugged from the electrical outlet. Electricity is dangerous. Angle grinders are powerful machines. Your safety is your responsibility. Most angle grinders today are disposable. Once the cable frays, the bearings wear out, or the brushes die, you throw them away. But not this one. This is the Kress PK850 WS. No belts. No complicated electronics. Just a simple AC motor with 2 brushes, a direct drive 90 degrees gearbox, and an absolute masterpiece of German industrial design. Today, I'll show you why this tool is not only powerful, but also the most serviceable angle grinder you can still buy. Let's start with the design. Look at this. Every line, every surface has a purpose. No unnecessary plastic decorations. No fake rubber grips that peel off after 2 years. The ergonomics are simple, but perfect. The tool feels incredibly stable in your hand. No wobbling. No cheap flex in the housing. When you hold the Kress PK850 WS, you immediately feel the quality. All components are high grade and solid. This is not a toy. This is a professional tool built for daily abuse. And the Germans who designed it clearly understand one thing: a simple design, executed perfectly, is better than a complex design executed poorly, and that is exactly what we have here. Simple, but absolutely perfect. Now, the real magic. Serviceability. This is where the Kress PK850 WS destroys every modern angle grinder on the market. First, the motor. Inside is a simple AC induction type motor with 2 carbon brushes. Nothing fancy. Nothing electronic. Just raw, reliable power. When the brushes wear out, open these 2 caps, replace them, close it. 10 minutes. You don't need a technician. Notice, no belts. This is a direct drive 90 degrees gearbox. Power goes straight from the motor to the spindle. No belt to slip. No belt to replace. Just pure, efficient torque, and if the gearbox ever needs service, you can open it. Every gear inside is replaceable. Nothing is glued shut. Let me sum this up: you have a tool that feels incredibly stable in your hand, uses high-quality, durable components, has a simple AC motor with replaceable brushes, uses a direct drive 90 degrees gearbox, no belts, lets you replace the power cord by squeezing a connector in seconds, has every screw openable with a standard Phillips screwdriver, and features a design so perfect, it looks as good as it works. This is not just an angle grinder. This is a true masterpiece of German engineering, built to last. Built to be repaired. Built for people who actually use their tools. Most companies want you to buy a new tool every 2 years. Kress built this one so that when something wears out, and something eventually will, you can fix it. Easily. Quickly. Affordably. No special tools. No proprietary parts. Just smart design that keeps the tool alive for decades. The Kress PK850 WS. Simple by design. Repairable by purpose, a true treasure, not because it never breaks, but because it never has to stay broken.